Good evening, everyone.
Good evening, ma'am.
So we'll continue with the standard deviation. We didn't get the answer. Now we'll find the answer. Okay. Yes, Kelvin. Now, square root of 254. This is the answer you got, right? Till there where you got that was 1270 divided by 5. It was square root. And for that you got square root of 254. Okay. Now, okay, Abhilash, what we should do first?
Ma'am, we write the number and then we get it into pairs from left to right.
Yes, from here to, we have to make a pair. Okay, so from this side, we are making a pair. So from back side, okay. So 54, 1 and 2 is remaining now. Okay, then what we have to do?
And then we find the closest digit possible to be the square
Yeah.
of 2.
Which number is possible, which number nearest one, whether when we do any number square, whether are we able to get 2 here or not, we have to check whether any number is there like that. When we do square, will we get 2 as answer? Yes or no? No, right? Okay, so we are using number 1 here. Okay, when we are putting 1 here, here also 1. So 1 into 1, how much? That is 1. Now reduce. We are getting 1 here. Then this 54 will come down. Okay, not like division. We are taking both these numbers down. Okay. Now what you have to do? What is the next step, Labilash?
Ma'am, you add 1 with the divisor, the quotient, which is
Question.
1 plus
Okay.
1. 2.
So these two we should add. Then what are you getting? 2 here.
And we leave a space on the other side.
Yeah, here we have to leave a space because one more number we have to take. And we have to see which number. For example, if I am taking 22, here I am filling the blank here, okay? 22, then into 2. If I am taking 23, if I am putting 3 here, into 3, okay? Or if I am using 24 into 4, like that, we have to multiply and find a number which is equivalent to 154. If you are getting 154, okay, fine. If you are not getting 154, just below that, which number will come? Okay, so just try out, everyone. Here it is 2 is given. Next number we don't know. We have to guess and find what it should be. Okay. So with 2, which number when we add, not add here, when you make it nearby or multiply with that, whether you are getting 154, just check whether you are getting or not, or just below. You cannot go beyond that. Anyone got? It is
5.
5. So that means if we are putting 5 here, we are taking number 5. So 25 into 5. Okay. What did you get 25 into 5?
125.
125. Okay. Now 26 into 6 if we take, this will cross 154. That is why we are taking 25 into 5. Okay. Now reduce it. What answer you got? Reduce this. What answer you got? Anyone?
29.
29. Okay. So here 29. Okay. Now next here we have to take how from 1 we got 25 the same way. So here which number we multiplied, you have to put 5 there. Okay. We are using 25 into 5. So put 5 there. Now next step is what? Everyone listen carefully. What is the next step, Abhilash?
Ma'am, here
20.
it's decimal, right?
Hmm?
Decimal.
No, 15. Till there only we have reached, right? Next step, we have to get a number here. How do you get that?
You add 5.
Yeah. With this 25. Next step, listen carefully. First one, how did we get 2, you know? 1 plus 1 we took. Second step, we got 25. Now with this 25, we are adding this 5. Okay, not 15, only 5 we are adding. So with 25, when we are adding 5, what are we getting? Yes, anyone? 30. Again, you have to leave a place here. Okay. Now, here 29 is given. It's a very small number. We cannot go beyond that. So when we are not having any number like that in usual division method, what are we doing? Rahul, what do we do if there is no number? What do we do?
We add 0.
We add 0. But here when we are adding, we have to add 2 zeros. Okay, everyone got it? So we are adding 2 zeros here. Now find out. Here it is 30. With 30, which number we have to take to get 2,900? For example, 30. Here, one more number, for example, maybe 5. I am adding just into 5, you see. Just see whether you are reaching near 2,900. Okay, like that, are you reach? Yeah, one more thing. When you put 2 zeros here, you have to put a dot here. Okay, point, 15 point will come. Like that. Find what will be the next number. So here you got 330 with 31 number into that same number. Okay. So 305, can we go along with that? Can we do? No. So we can take a higher number like 37 into 7, you see. If that is not possible, the higher number you take. Akshay, did you get?
No, ma'am.
No. Okay, just try. Roseanne, what about you?
Ma'am, is it 309?
Okay, that's correct. So 309 into 9. What is the answer, Aparna? What is the answer?
2,781.
2,781. Okay. So I am putting here 9. The same way here also 9. Okay. Now reduce that. Find the difference. Abhilash, what is the difference?
119.
119. Okay. Now next step again. We are not able to finish this. We are continuing. Again add 2 more zeros. Okay. Now Pranav, can you tell what will come in the next? Just can you think?
309 plus 9.
So 309 plus 9, what is the result?
318.
318. And here again, leaving one place. So find out now. So like you see, 318, maybe 2 into 2 or 3 into 3, like that you find and find out which one is more applicable. I'll repeat once more. Let me finish this, okay? If anyone got the answer, please post it in the chat box. So one answer I got. Okay, Aparna. So here it is, oh sorry, it is 3. Here also 3. What is the answer? What is how much you got after multiplying?
9549.
9549. Again, when you reduce, how much you will get? One more step we will do.
2351.
2351. 2351. Again, we are adding 2 zeros. One more step we'll do. What will come here? The side 3183 is already given. How much we added now? How much to add now? Hmm? Yes, anyone? What will be the next?
Three one eight six
3, 1.
86.
Okay. Everyone got the same, right? Is there any difficulty? No. Okay. 3, 1, 8, 6. Like that. This is not going to be stopped. It is going on, doing like that. It's not stopping it. I mean, it's not getting solved. So it's becoming more and more. So with this, we can write the answer 15.93. Okay. Once more, I will tell you. The beginning, this let it be there. We are having the number 254 for doing the square root. So we are doing long division method. First thing, from back, we have to pair it. Two numbers we have to take. So first we took 54. Then remaining only one number is there. If two numbers are there, that will be paired. Okay, so first thing, pairing. Now, we are going to solve this. When we are solving, the first number we are taking, that is 2. Okay. We have to see that any number, if we square it, whether we are getting 2 or not. So like that, there is no number. For example, 1 into 1. 1 square is equal to what? 1. 2 square is equal to what? Tell 2 square.
4.
4. Okay. So 4 is, we cannot take it. So which number we can take? Because here it is already 2. So we can take only 1. So 1 is here, 1 is here. Here 1 we are reducing. So we got 1. Then 2 numbers we have to put it down. Okay, pair wise it will come down. Now 154 is taken. Now next, here we have to find a number. We have to get a number. How to get that number? This one and this one we are going to add. Okay. So when we add that, we get 2. So we got a number. Along with that, one more number should be there that we have to find through trial and error method. That is what we can say. There is no shortcut for this. This 1 and 1, when we add, we got 2. Here one more number we have to find. That by trial and error method we have to find. So here I told you 23 into 3. Which number you are taking? If 3 you are taking, same number. You have to multiply that with the same number. So when we took 23 into 3, that is much below 154. 24 into 4, that is also below. 25 into 4, that is also below. But 26 into 6, when we take, it is beyond 154. So what we did, we took the number 5 here. Okay. So 25 into 5 is 125. When we reduced, we got 29. Now here, the number is becoming very small. We cannot divide this by the next number. So what we are doing here, we are adding 2 zeros. So whenever we are adding in this finding square root, I told you 2 digits we have to take. Okay. Now here it is 25, just beyond what we did. That was 25. Okay. 25 into 5. This 25 into 5, you got 125. What you should do now, with this 25, this 5 we have to add for finding the next one. So here 25 plus 5 is equal to 30. With that 30, again one more number should be there to solve this. Okay. So with 30, we are taking 9 and we got 2781. Okay. Now next, When we are reducing this, we are getting 1, 1, 9. Okay. Now in this again we are adding. So here when we put 9 here, 309 into 9, you got this answer. Okay. So 9 is there. Now with this again we are adding 2 zeros. 309 plus 9, we got 318. With that number, you have to add one more number to get this number. So we are adding 3. So 318, 3,183 into 3 you have to find, into 3 you are getting 9, 5, 4, 9. Like that you have to find the answer. Here the answer I have written 235,100. Okay. Now next number it is 7. That means 318 plus 3,183 plus 3 will come. So it will go on like that. Okay. So like this way we have to find the square root. Now one more question I will give where you have to find the square root. So please keep it in your mind how to find the square root. Okay. Next question. Yeah, this is the one which the steps. First step, we have to find the mean. Then we will be getting the answer. To find square root only, we will be taking time. Okay. Is there any difficulty? All of you got it? Yes or no? If there is any difficulty, please tell. Next sum also we will try out that method. Just see. Next one. Calculate standard deviation for the following individual data. 5 numbers are given. These are X. You can mark it as X. What is the first step we have to do? Akshay, what do we have to do first?
Find X bar.
Find mean. Okay. So how to find mean, you know? Kevin, what to do to get the mean?
Ma'am, we should add all the numbers and then divide it by the total number of numbers.
Divided by the observations number. Okay. So first find that. Rahul, can you tell the formula for this?
Which one?
Standard deviation. This method formula, how to find the standard deviation according to this method? Mean method.
X minus X test.
Sigma is, oh. Sigma is equal to X minus X bar, then before that something is there, square root of X minus X bar square divided by, what will come? Okay, who can help him?
Sigma of X minus X dash whole square by.
Oh, just one minute. I'll write on this side, that's better. Okay, tell sigma is equal to Square root of,
sigma of x minus x dash
okay, sigma of x minus x bar square divided by
n.
n. Okay. Now x bar is mean, you know. So find out mean. Those who got answer for mean, just post in the chat box. Hmm. Rahul, Abhijit, you got the answer? Those who got the answer, post in the chat box. I didn't get everyone's answer. Okay, correct. Rahul, any difference you got?
I'm taking
How much you got?
my taking.
You didn't get, okay. Kevin, what's that actually?
You asked for sigma x bar, right?
Yeah, sigma, no, I asked mean. X bar, X bar. Yes, that's correct. After that, after getting sigma, what we have to do, you know that x when we write, that is 14, 36 and 45, 70, 105. Okay. Next column, what we have to do, it is x minus x bar. Okay. Yeah, this one. Next. So in this, almost all gave the answer that is correct. 54 is x bar and you have to reduce 14 minus 54. Like that, you have to find the numbers. Okay. Did you get x minus x bar?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Pranav, first one, what is that?
Negative 40.
Minus 40. Okay. Second one, who can say? Aparna,
Negative 18.
negative 18. Abhilash,
-9.
negative 9. Akshay,
16.
16. Next one. Alan, Kevin,
Ma'am, 50.
51. Correct. Okay. Now we need not do this. What we have to find? X minus x square you have to find. So find the x minus x bar square. Then that you total it. Okay. Hmm. Amal, you got the first one? Square of 40. Pranav, you got?
Yes, ma'am.
First one, what is the answer?
1600.
1600. Okay. Kevin, did you get the second one?
Yes, ma'am.
What's that?
324.
3, 2, 4. Okay. Akshay,
81.
81. Pranav,
256.
256. Abhilash,
2601.
2601. Now this you total it. Anybody got the total?
4862.
4862. Okay, this is the total. Now we can put this in the formula. It is 4862 divided by n. What is n here? Akshay?
5.
5. Okay. So first solve this 4862 by 5. Get the answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you divide and what answer you got?
Ma'am, 972.4.
Okay.
Ma'am, I looked at
972.4. Okay, square root of 972.4. Now I'm giving this you as homework. I know that this if you take your calculator and if you see, you will be getting the answer, but this will not work for the exam. You have to calculate. So only one question is there, how to get the square root of this 972.4. You know that first you pair it, okay, then start doing. Okay, so this you complete as a homework. I will ask you the question. I will ask you the answer in the next class. Okay, let me take attendance now. Abdul Aman, Alan Thomas, Alan Verghese,
Present, ma'am.
Anish, Aparna,
Present, ma'am.
Krishnakanti, Akshay,
Present, ma'am.
Pavitra, Pranav,
Present, ma'am.
Rahul,
Present, ma'am.
Roseanne,
Present, ma'am.
Sayujya, Vinay,
Present, ma'am.
Vishnu, Abhiram, Abhijit, Abhilash,
Present, ma'am.
Amal,
that's ma'am.
Basuri, Kevin,
Present, ma'am.
Homer, Sanam, Sandra. Okay, then bye everyone. Thank you.